coding is easier when you're learning with the right resources. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the best resources that you can learn with, the ones I know about. And by the end of this video, I'll also be sharing with you the exact resources that I used while learning how to code. So please stick around to the end of this video.
Okay, I'm going to be splitting these resources into courses, websites, YouTube channels, and even books that will help you in your web development journey. And the very first one I'm going to talk about in this video is Free Code Camp. Everybody knows Free Code Camp, or maybe not everybody, but it's quite popular in the space. And I've used one of their courses, which is the Responsive Web Design course. And they have a lot of other courses. They have the JavaScript algorithms, they have data visualization, backend development, quality assurance, and much more. And it is completely free. You just have to go and sign up, and you are granted access to the course. The next course that is quite free, that is going to ground you in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is the Odin project. The Odin project, I recently discovered it, but I saw that they have quite a good curriculum. There's real projects, there's motivation section, just quite a lot of things that will give you the best foundation as you progress in your learning journey as a front-end developer. Also, the Odin project has other courses like the Full Stack JavaScript course that teaches you not just the front end of JavaScript, it also teaches you Node.js, that's for the back end. I think it's a good resource for anybody that is just starting out. The next course on my list is buying an Udemy course. Yeah, it's going to cost you some money, but it is self-paced, so you can just follow it at your own pace. About Udemy courses, there are quite a number of people out there, but the person that I learned with is called Steele. Steele is a developer, and when I used his course to learn, that was the very first web development course that I used. It was amazing. He knows how to break things down for beginners bit by bit, and he doesn't overwhelm you with so much details for a start. Then as I was going through this website today, I realized that Steele's course, his web developer bootcamp of last year, is going for an 88% discount, and for people in Nigeria it's just 10,000 naira. And it's not just front end course, it has both the front end and the back end. So if you're interested in MERN-Stack, by MERN-Stack I mean MongoDB, Express, React, and Node Stack developer, I think this course is a very good start. You can just go and purchase it before the discount is over. You know, Udemy is running a some New Year career something. So if you are interested, please go and buy this Steele course. And people that are asking me the course I learned with Steele's web development course. Yeah. Then there are also other courses which I have not exactly used, but people somehow have recommended them in the past. I have seen Front End Masters, I've seen Pluralsight, I've seen Screenbar. There are quite others, but these are the ones that seem good to me. I don't know which other courses have you used. You can also share with us so that other people can learn. Then about the websites that I've used in my journey that really helped me as a novice, not just novice to coding, novice to computer and everything, was W3 Schools. Yeah, W3 Schools is very amazing. It's so basic, it's so beginner friendly that even the terms, there are no much technical jargons. And not just that, W3 Schools also has a try it yourself editor that once you finish learning whatever they write in that section, you can try it yourself by typing out the code, and it really helped me. And W3 Schools feels like a book. You just scroll down to that part that you want and find the information you need there. I recommend W3 Schools. Then our very MDN, Mozilla Developer Network, is quite more advanced, but I also used MDN for JavaScript. I think JavaScript documentation or something like that. Then our Oga of all, the boss of all bosses, Stack Overflow. I use Stack Overflow to find solutions to problems and all that. And recently, as I just checked out Stack Overflow website, I noticed there's a space for newest HTML questions, recently active HTML questions, and it's just so amazing. So if you're not using Stack Overflow today, you are wrong. Then there are also others that helped me quite a bit. The Geek for Gig, there's LogRocket. I started using it when, I don't remember what happened that time. I was in one advanced React something. That was when I discovered LogRocket. But yeah, their tutorials are amazing. Then for the YouTube channels that helped me, Mosh is my tutor, guys. I used programming with Mosh to learn at some point. Yeah, so I use programming with Mosh. I use Web Dev Simplified. I use Transversal Media. There are also a lot of other smaller channels that I cannot remember their names now because it's been quite a while and I'm not now currently watching YouTube video tutorials. Then about the books I've used in my journey, guys, Eloquent JavaScript. If you have not read that book, please just go and download the PDF version. Yeah, free. Just download it and start studying Eloquent JavaScript. Reading programming books is going to make you understand the intricacies of a language. So Eloquent JavaScript is a 10 over 10. Very nice. Then there's another one. You don't know JS. You don't know JS. Guys, just in chapter 1 of reading that book, I finally concluded that I don't actually know JS. The book even talks about the history of JavaScript, how it got the name, and moving from ECMAScript and a bunch of other things. It's very interesting and quite captivating. Just that I don't recommend it for absolute beginners because it's going to scare you. So if you are not an absolute beginner, you know quite some level of JavaScript, you can just start with Eloquent JavaScript and then move to You Don't Know JS. There's also another book I read in the past, though I stopped at some point because the book had things I already knew. Learning Web Design by one lady like that. Let me check it. Yeah, by Jennifer Nides Robbins. The book is very nice as well. I even sent it out to my friends that wanted to start web design. By web design, I just mean HTML and CSS and JavaScript. You know, it's confusing, very confusing. Then there are also other articles and other blogs that I read that I cannot exactly remember. Other things I also read to understand both architecture, code structuring, design patterns, and all that. So these are the ones that you can start using, and so far so good. I think if you are using most of these resources, you are going to be a good developer. You can also share with us other sources that have helped you. I don't know everything. You can share with us and you can help us as well. And if your resource is quite paid, please do well to attach the price to it so that anybody that is going for it would have a budget in mind.
Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will keep releasing real, authentic content that's going to be very helpful to you as a developer or an aspiring developer. See you in another video. Bye.